Hold on, pioneers. Is the Pi Network mainnet launch about to be delayed again? This could be a major setback for Pi. But don't worry, I'm going to break down all the latest news and give you my take on what this means for Pi's future. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with this concerning article from CoinGape. As you can see here, the headline reads, Pi Network price will mainnet delay derail $100 target. Oh, this doesn't sound good. Pi Network developers have delayed the mainnet launch several times. We explore whether such a delay will derail the Pi coin price $100 forecast. Pi Network, the highly popular crypto project, has plunged in the past few months. This crash happened after the repeated KYC and mainnet delay. With the mainnet launch set for Q1, there are chances that another delay will affect its predicted surge to $100. Okay, so they're saying that the mainnet launch, which is supposed to happen in Q1 of this year, might be delayed again. And they're worried this could hurt Pi's chances of reaching $100. This is definitely something to be concerned about, folks. Will Pi Network delay the mainnet launch again? The Pi Network price surged to nearly $100 in October as the countdown to the first grace period continued. It then crashed to $47 and bounced back to $91 as this deadline neared. These gains were short-lived as the developers postponed the grace period again to December. The same trend continued, and in December they extended the verification period again to January 31st of this year. In the statement, they noted that their goal was to launch the mainnet in the first quarter of this year. Yeah, we've seen this movie before, haven't we? They set a deadline, get everyone hyped up, and then delay. It's frustrating, I know. But let's see what their reasoning is this time. They argued that more time was needed to ensure that at least 10 million pioneers move their tokens to the mainnet. However, there is a risk that the mainnet launch may be delayed again, as developers have done repeatedly in the past few years. In the announcement below, the developers said that the open network can, not will, launch as soon as possible in Q1. Including the phrase can introduces uncertainty about the launch. Can, not will. That's not very reassuring, is it? Sounds like they're leaving the door open for another delay. I don't like this, folks. They need to be more transparent with the community. Pi Network's developers have a lot to do ahead of the mainnet launch. They need to verify millions of users who will then migrate their tokens to the mainnet and create partnerships with Tier 1 exchanges. According to the pre-mainnet requirements, the network needs to have at least 100 mainnet-ready apps in its platform before the launch. There are now about 80 of these apps, meaning that they need at least 20 before the mainnet happens. Remember, streamdef.tv/evil. Okay, so they still have a lot on their plate. Verifying users, migrating tokens, partnering with exchanges, getting more apps on the platform. It's a tall order. I can understand why they might need more time. What do you think about this potential delay? Are you concerned, or are you confident that the Pi Network team will deliver on their promises? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more Pi Network updates. Pi Network analysis, path to $100 remains elusive. Crypto analysts have been optimistic that the Pi coin price will get to $100 as the mainnet launch approaches. However, these hopes have not materialized, and the token has continued to consolidate below $50 in the past few weeks. This consolidation has happened slightly below the 50-day moving average and above the ascending trend line that connects the lowest levels since September this year. This trend line has created an important support level as the coin has failed to drop below it. Let's take a look at this chart. As you can see, Pi has been trading in a tight range for a while now. It's holding above this key support level, but it's struggling to break through this resistance. A mainnet delay could definitely send it tumbling. The other risk is that the Pi coin has formed a pattern resembling a head and shoulders pattern, a popular bearish sign. Therefore, another mainnet approval delay would likely lead to a bearish breakdown, possibly to support at $43.10, its lowest shadow on December 20th. Conversely, odds of approval would likely push the Pi Network price much higher, initially to $68.80, the right shoulder, and then $100. Such a price action would mean that the ongoing consolidation is part of a accumulation. And this is why I say a head and shoulders pattern? That's not good, folks. This is a classic technical analysis pattern that often signals a trend reversal. If Pi breaks down below this support level, we could see a significant drop. Okay, let's shift gears for a moment and talk about the bigger picture. This article from BitPerfect is titled The Unseen Future of Cryptocurrencies, Unlocking Pi Network's Potential. Let's see what they have to say about Pi's long-term prospects. As digital currencies continue to revolutionize global finance, the Pi network emerges as a novel player promising transformative blockchain solutions. While the excitement is palpable, the Pi network's trajectory could usher in unprecedented technological advancements or stumble through regulatory and market challenges. I like how they acknowledge both the potential and the challenges facing Pi. It's important to be realistic, folks. Pi has a lot of potential, but it's not a guaranteed success. Technological influence on the future. The introduction of the Pi network's Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, combined with artificial intelligence, marks a significant leap forward. This innovation could redefine the operational efficiency of blockchain technology, making transactions faster and more reliable. The integration of such advanced technologies could propel more sectors to embrace blockchain, paving the way for a digital financial revolution. This is what I'm talking about! Pi is pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology with its innovative consensus protocol and AI integration. This could be a game changer for the entire crypto space. Surprising facts and emerging controversies. Could Pi network fuel the next wave of digital banking solutions? Its energy-efficient operations contrasts starkly with more traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, offering broader accessibility and appeal, yet it's also embroiled in debates surrounding adequacy in regulatory compliance and market adaptability. With an increasing number of cryptocurrencies emerging, will the Pi network secure its place at the forefront? Pi's energy efficiency is definitely a major advantage. But they're right, there are concerns about regulation and competition. Pi needs to address these issues if it wants to succeed in the long run. Advantages and disadvantages. One notable advantage is the decreased environmental impact due to Pi's efficient energy use. However, the network still faces disadvantages, including its infancy and high market competition, which could impede its widespread acceptance. Exactly. Pi is still a relatively new project. It needs to build trust and adoption to compete with the big players in the crypto space. Cryptocurrency predictions for 2025? Unlocking the future of digital investment. As the conversation around digital currencies gains momentum, investor interest in the Pi network and other emerging cryptocurrencies has soared, with the potential to redefine financial landscapes. Understanding the key investment insights, cryptocurrency rate predictions for 2025, and associated risks and benefits are crucial. 2025 is going to be a big year for crypto, folks, and Pi has the potential to be a major player, but it all depends on how they navigate the challenges ahead. Investor advice and cryptocurrency rate predictions for 2025. Forecasting the future value of cryptocurrencies is challenging, but analysts anticipate significant growth influenced by technological innovation and mainstream adoption. Investors are advised to watch key developments in blockchain protocols and regulatory frameworks closely, as these factors heavily impact market projections. Some experts foresee a substantial increase in cryptocurrency valuation by 2025, driven by enhancements in blockchain efficiency and increasing institutional interest. Staying informed about such predictions can guide investors in making strategic decisions. This is why I do what I do, folks, to keep you informed about the latest developments in the crypto world. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my updates. Navigating investment risks in the crypto market. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, presenting a spectrum of risks alongside its opportunities. While the potential for high returns is alluring, investors must be aware of the intense price fluctuations and security vulnerabilities inherent in digital currencies. Proper risk assessment remains vital, encompassing market research, portfolio diversification, and utilizing reliable platforms for transactions. Engaging with reputable sources like CoinDesk is recommended for the most accurate insights. Encountering reputable sources. This is crucial, folks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before putting your money into any crypto project. Pros and cons of cryptocurrency investment. One of the primary advantages of investing in cryptocurrencies such as the Pi network is their ability to offer lower transaction costs and faster processing times compared to traditional financial systems. Additionally, their decentralized nature can provide investors with more privacy and control over their assets. Conversely, The lack of regulatory clarity and the nascent stage of many digital currencies pose significant hurdles. Cryptocurrencies' susceptibility to regulatory changes and technological vulnerabilities can affect their market stability and investor trust. They hit the nail on the head here. Crypto has a lot of advantages, but it also comes with its own set of risks. It's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before investing. And finally, number 4, you have to be emerging controversies surrounding cryptocurrencies. Despite ongoing advancements, controversies persist in the cryptocurrency world, often centered on issues of regulatory compliance, security breaches, and environmental impact. While the Pi Network's energy-efficient approach addresses some concerns, debates continue over its long-term sustainability and competitive edge against established players like Bitcoin. To mitigate these concerns, potential investors must maintain a balanced perspective, considering both the transformative potential and existing challenges associated with cryptocurrencies. Engaging in ongoing education and leveraging respected resources for updates are crucial steps in navigating this dynamic investment landscape. The crypto world is constantly evolving. Folks, it's important to stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape. That's why I'm here to help you navigate these choppy waters. What are your thoughts on the future of Pi Network? Do you think it has what it takes to overcome the challenges and achieve its full potential? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow pioneers. So there you have it, folks. The Pi Network is at a crossroads. The mainnet launch is approaching, but there are still hurdles to overcome. Whether Pi reaches $100 or not remains to be seen, and beyond she is told. But one thing is for sure, the future of Pi is full of potential and uncertainty. But remember, folks, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto news and analysis. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.